Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the Samsung 64GB DDR5 4800 MHz ECC registered RDIMM, specifically model M321R820B0CQK. This isn't your everyday RAM. It's a powerhouse designed for servers and workstations that demand stability and performance. This particular module boasts a capacity of 64 GB, which is substantial for memory-intensive applications. It adheres to the DDR5 standard, operating at a frequency of 4800 MHz, also known as PC5-38400. The ECC registered designation is crucial as it signifies error correction capabilities, vital for maintaining data integrity in critical server environments. The RDIMM, or registered DDIMM, aspect further enhances stability by buffering the control signals. The module is a 2RX4 or dual-rank module, configured as EC8 10x4. It operates at standard DDR5 voltage of 1.1V. It's important to note that this RAM is explicitly designed for select DDR5 servers and workstations. It is not compatible with desktop or laptop computers. One key consideration is the compatibility of ECC register modules. EC8 10x4 modules should not be mixed with EC4 9x4 modules or other ECC types like ECC unbuffered or ECC load reduced. Always consult your system's manual for memory seeding and channel guidelines to ensure proper configuration and optimal performance. The benefits of upgrading to a module like this are significant. It expands your system's available memory resources, leading to improved performance, reduced bottlenecks, and an increased capacity to handle demanding workloads. For servers running virtual machines, databases, or other resource-intensive applications, this can translate to a noticeable improvement in responsiveness and overall system efficiency. Samsung is a reputable brand in the memory market, known for producing high-quality and reliable components. This DDR5 ECC registered RDIMM is no exception, offering a robust solution for businesses and professionals who require dependable server performance. In summary, the Samsung 64GB DDR5 4800 MHz ECC registered RDIMM is a solid choice for those looking to upgrade their server or workstation memory. Just be sure to check your system's compatibility requirements before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.